I've got my hole on the inside of this wall, which goes down to about where that is now. So I'm starting to go in underneath the stones, hopefully underneath the stones. I need to go about 40 centimetres in to meet up with the hole. And I've already reached loads of little pebbles and stones which are all so compacted together, it's a bugger to get them apart. So I'm going to use the big thing. I wonder whether a drill would help. I'm going to try a drill. Well, I'm going to go inside and see if I can dig down a little bit closer to the wall. I think I still have 10 centimetres to go. I'm going to go inside and give it another couple of bashes, see if that does the job. we may have to have a brief intermission whilst I rethink how this is not working. All right, take two. I've made the hole a little bit bigger because this water pipe, the black one, is so stiff. It's really difficult to push it through in a straight line when the black pipe wants to be curved. Once it gets inside, I'm very happy for it to curve up, but it's got to get 40 centimeters straight before it can go up. Let's try again. Well, that is a success. So we've got a hole underneath the stones, but I had to go through all this gravel and compacted clay, which took a while. That then goes inside the corner of this colombage barn, and you can see in there the hole inside with the pipes coming out, which is fine. So now I'll leave these in a tidy coil for the moment. Karl will dig that trench deeper, and it'll go along that way, along the back of the house. We're right next to all of the French drain soakaway, runaway, and the rainwater runoff pipes. So there'll be a bunch of pipes in a trench that goes all the way along the back here and goes down that way. But the conduits will just come through here. So the conduits, water, electric, Ethernet, will go up to that wall that you can see next to that doorway. And since that is going to be inside the back lobby, that is where I will make the connections between the electricity, the Ethernet, and the water to go to the colombage barn. Oh boy. Well, I'm exhausted. It's getting on towards the end of the day. So please like, please subscribe. Click the notification bell. What's the worst that can happen? I'm probably going to knock off soon and go and find something to eat. See you again soon. Bye. Bye for now.